Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to mental health and well-being. In today's video, we'll be discussing tips for reconnecting emotionally. In our fast-paced lives, we often forget to take a moment to check in with ourselves and our emotions. However, it's important to remember that emotional connection is the foundation of healthy relationships with ourselves and others. So, without further ado, let's dive into the tips for reconnecting emotionally. Tip 1. Practice mindfulness. The first tip for reconnecting emotionally is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without judgment. It can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the present moment. When we're mindful, we're able to recognize our emotions, name them, and work through them in a healthy way. Tip 2. Engage in self-care. The second tip for reconnecting emotionally is to engage in self-care. Self-care can take many forms, such as taking a warm bath, going for a walk in nature, or reading a good book. The important thing is to find activities that help you feel good and take care of yourself. When we prioritize self-care, we're able to recharge our emotional batteries and show up more fully in our relationships with others. Tip 3. Connect with others. The third tip for reconnecting emotionally is to connect with others. Human beings are social creatures, and we need connection and support to thrive. This can be as simple as having a meaningful conversation with a friend, joining a community group, or volunteering for a cause you care about. When we connect with others, we're able to build meaningful relationships and feel a sense of belonging. Tip 4. Journaling. The fourth tip for reconnecting emotionally is to journal. Journaling is a great way to reflect on your thoughts and emotions and gain clarity on what you're feeling. You can write about anything that comes to mind, from your daily experiences to your deepest fears and desires. When we journal, we're able to process our emotions and gain a better understanding of ourselves. Tip 5. Practice gratitude. The fifth and final tip for reconnecting emotionally is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of focusing on the good in our lives and being thankful for what we have. It can be as simple as writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. When we practice gratitude, we're able to shift our focus from what's wrong to what's right and cultivate a sense of happiness and contentment. Conclusion. So there you have it. 5 tips for reconnecting emotionally. Remember that emotional connection is the foundation of healthy relationships with ourselves and others. By practicing mindfulness, engaging in self-care, connecting with others, journaling, and practicing gratitude, you can take small steps towards building a more emotionally connected life. We hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other tips or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.